In this video from FFX, we'll show you how to use a jigsaw. Whether corded or cordless, a jigsaw is a versatile power tool designed for making quick, straight and curved cuts into wood, plastics and metal. As always, the type of blade fitted to the jigsaw determines the type of cut it will make and the material it will cut. Look out for the orbital action on the jigsaw. It will typically have 3 or 4 stages. This controls the amount of circular motion of the blade as it cuts. This movement aids in clearing the debris from the cut and allows for faster cuts in softwood. The speed of the blade while cutting is measured in strokes per minute. The higher the strokes, the faster and rougher the cut. However, for fine, clean cuts, use the variable speed dial to reduce the strokes per minute to give you greater control. Also, look out for features such as an LED light and a line blower. Both aid your ability to accurately follow the line of the cut.